Hey guys, I don't have all the lights on yet. I guess it kind of doesn't matter because I can't really start filming yet because I'm going to experiment with a different camera today. Not the one I'm holding. That guy right over there, the Power Egg X, it's on, which I finally remembered how to turn it on because it's not easy. I'm nervous about that camera because I've never used it before, and it's also, hi Molly, and it's also a little bit more than a mortgage payment. But this has been going on for a while now. I have to wait for this to happen. It's moving faster than it was before. The first 1% to like 10% was a good 10 minutes. It gave me time to get everything ready. So the Squealing Atlas is going to be what I'm mainly tackling today as a little project. So that camera is going to be down there. The thing about it is, it doesn't have a mic. So it actually runs off. Oh, and if I seem a little groggy today, it's because I am. I'm loaded up on muscle relaxants and painkillers because I hurt my back. Just because I slept wrong. Getting old is wonderful, but it beats the alternative, right? So anyways, the camera's going to be down there. It doesn't have a mic on it. It runs off of the phone. So I do have a new iPhone SE that I picked up a few months ago because my Samsung was like 6 years old. It wouldn't talk to this app or half of the other apps. People try to get me in group chats and stuff. My phone didn't understand half of it. So anywho, the mic's going to run off the phone. So I got different ideas. Even as crazy as putting the phone in the lip of my tooth to see if it'll pick up sound okay there. So what my goal is that it can still pick up my voice well, but it won't pick up the squeal, is what I'm hoping. So the phone's going to stay right there on the table. I'm going to turn the mic that way towards the course. So for the first 5, there's 10 gates. For the first 5, I'm going to leave the camera there and the phone here. And then on the last 5 gates, I'm going to actually put the phone beside wherever the camera is and see how big of a difference there is, if any at all. So it's kind of more about, can I get rid of the squeal with the camera, is what I'm going after. Because when you get in the nice shots with the GoPro or the camera that I'm holding, which is my JVC old quad cam, you pick up the squeal real bad. And it's tough to talk continuously while driving because you're focused. So the squealing, it kind of takes over. And I don't use music. You guys are welcome to put on music while you watch. But yeah, after this thing's done updating its firmware and gets all installed and ready to rock, we're going to get this ball rolling and see if I can't be successful on this. I don't know if you can see that very well. Hopefully. Okay. Where is it? There it is. Access device. Oh, the app looks different now. No, I don't want to do flight mode. Access device. Guest control. Power Egg can recognize your gesture commands and execute follow, take a photo, take a video, or take a group photo. Oh, cool. It knows sign language, it looks like, or some type. I don't know if that's true sign language, but that's cool. Tap to open camera settings. Oh, it's giving me all the new stuff. Cool. Gesture control. I'm not going to get into that now. Close that. Exit the tutorial. Alright, so it looks like it's working. I think I can go like this. It does. So this little circle here allows me to take the camera and actually move around. Oh, I can move. There I am. See if it finds my face. I think it's supposed to. Now I don't know what camera I'm doing. I might as well record all the time. Okay, now it's recording. Does it see me? Hi. No, it's not tracking me. Okay, but I should still be able to move the camera around, I think. Yep. Pretty cool, eh? Alright. Whoa, easy, easy. Come back. Down a bit. Down a bit. Look to the left. Okay. Well, maybe up a bit. Whoa. Okay, this camera control is going to take a little bit of getting used to. Oh yeah, I got to keep an eye on where my fingers are so I'm not covering anything. Okay, so hopefully everything is working the way I'm hoping. Again. Okay, so the phone is just sitting. I might as well use the other camera too. So the phone is just sitting on top of my workbench. I think, oh, I gotta set the card. Easy. Come on. Easy. Just give a little flex, that's okay, yep. It's a really nice camera. Well, hopefully this is working out good, guys. Don't know if I should rock the two cameras or not, because I'm going to be switching back and forth. I already know this one's going to pick it up, but then the other one is 4K, I think, so I don't know. Okay, I'm going to basically start, and hopefully that mic is picking me up good, and it's going to film the truck really well, hopefully. Oh wait, I'll put the camera... Okay, sorry about that noise. Just in case things don't work out. There, I got that camera on there. It's just going to watch the phone. Alright, here we go. Ah, I got a gate. Holy shit. Sensitive. Okay, so now we're going to try the gimbal thingy. I'm going to move over here a bit. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking at the camera. Like we're right over a cone. Okay, hold on. Gonna move it. And I take this thing and I move it over there a bit. Maybe up a bit. Ooh, down a bit. 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 Right a bit. Right a bit. Right a bit. That's good, yeah. All right. Come on, Alex. So I did order another motor for this thing today. I was emailing with Pat down at the Almighty Action Hobby here in Calgary. Nice side hill out of this thing, I tell you. Good job. And that reverse just takes off, I tell you. Little course mod. Oh no! Come on. Oh, I didn't even count the gates. I'm probably already at 5, aren't I? Oh, that was 4. I'm about to go through 5. Right after I get my bonus. Ha! Got it! The front bumper is a killer on this guy. Okay, so now we're going to move the camera. Oh, alright, I don't know why I'm doing it like that, but I am. Well, I guess it's just a test, sound test. Sound test. Let me know what you guys think of the quality of the camera as well. I know my camera job isn't being the greatest right now. Beauty. That's almost perfect. We'll try that. It would look cooler if I had the lights hooked up. Oh no! Roll over. 5 points. Oh, I got a gate again. Sulfurite. Oh, I gotta get to 10 though. I hit both those cones. Double coned it on 9. And complete. Alright, so. Actually, I'll leave that right there. Take this over here. So there we go. Why is that not flipping? Oh, I got it upside down. So hopefully that worked out okay. Yep, they're all covered, boys. Somebody complained, and I don't want to get in trouble. I like having a YouTube channel. Let's see, what else can I do? Oh, the tracking thing. Well, actually, it says follow now. There's me. Hi. Lock FPV. Doesn't seem. Follow. Does it not see me? Hello? Or do I have to tap it? Oh, I'm gonna fall. There, it's got me. Ha! That's cool. So anyways, yeah, that's the PowerEgg X that I got from Medic. I didn't use it in the summer because the fines for FPV or drones scare the crap out of me. I wanted to get it out to Wipers, but I'm also wary about my Kia because I bottomed out with it last time I went out to Wipers when I went camping, so it was a little rough. But I'll definitely get it out in the spring and try and fly it somewhere where there's like zero chance that I can get in crap. But let me know what you guys think of the quality of the picture and the sound. As for the pieces sliding around, it used to not bother me, but it's starting to bother me. I don't want to use tape every time I do one of these either. I do have a big chunk of green carpet that I use when I go camping, so I might grab that and bring it down here. The hardest part about the carpet, though, because somebody else had the idea on YouTube as well, in a comment, I believe. Might have been on Instagram, but I think it was YouTube, that I should put the carpet down. But dog hair is the issue. If I can keep the dog hair away, which is almost impossible, it could work. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about the sound and quality and everything, all the things I already asked you. Okay guys, this is just a quick one more test. The sound didn't seem to be the greatest. The mic has got a couple of different settings. Yeah, I guess I can't change them once I start recording. But the only reason I'm doing this now is two reasons. One, there was a little bit of a smudge on the camera, so if this image seems way sharper than all the rest of the video, except this is the quality. And then the sound wasn't working, that's why I'm snapping on the rare occasion, and I'm trying to talk with the camera. The sound wasn't meshing with the video, so what I did was I gave the screen a quick cleaning. Left is right, right is left. That's delayed. Anyways, the picture and sound wasn't meshing, so I formatted the memory card because I didn't do it before, which is a silly rookie mistake. So, and the smudge in the lens was a mistake as well. So I cleaned the lens, and I'm just doing a quick little other bit just to see if it changed anything. So see if the sound goes with it. Thanks for watching.